A severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Greene County in south-central Wisconsin, west-central Warwick County in southeastern Wisconsin, Rock County in south-central Wisconsin, southwestern Jefferson County in southeastern Wisconsin, until 6:45 p.m. Eastern Greene County in south-central Wisconsin. A severe thunderstorm was located near Durand, or 8 miles southeast of Brodhead, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail. At 5:55 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near. Locations impacted include Janesville, Beloit, South Beloit, Milton, Clinton, Orfordville, Footsville, Lake Koshkonong, Richmond, Newark, Tiffany, Hanover, Avalon, Afton, Shapiro, Avon, Emerald Grove, Johnstown Center, Leiden, and Lima Center. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is NOAA's weather and Lima Center. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.